Brazil. Brazil. Wetin dey happen? What's going on? What's going on? Brazil, what's going on? And I just dey give people rejection as if na pure water or table water wey men dey buy drink. Brazil, what's going on? Though, personally, I've not applied for Brazil this year, but last year, and I show me paper. What's going on, Brazil? This is me when I went to the Brazil embassy to actually know what's going on. Though I was not allowed to go in, but I gathered some information about the embassy, wetin dey happen. And I just dey reject people anyhow. Even people wey qualify, and I reject them. And it has come to my knowledge that it is not because of proof of funds. No be proof of funds dey make una reject people. Yes, because I've done it for businessmen, people who has money. When I talk about money, I'm not talking about the turnover, just current balance. You see 100 million, 120 million, 200 million, yet, and I still reject them. I've done it for people who have buildings in Victoria Island, and I still reject them. And the funniest thing be say, when I dey send the paper back without reason, like when I go just send the thing back without reason, nothing. And I just send some, carry some. Wetin dey happen now? What's going on? What's going on? Man, I pity people now. People are spending money. And you know your visa process is even stressful. Especially when the clients are traveling with their kids. It's stressful. Person go Abuja, do legalization, get consent letter, do all those things, come wey be land through DHL. After like 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and I will come wey be land back without visa. Wetin dey happen? I beg, I dey beg una. I beg, I dey beg una. Make una pity people. When I give people visa, e no funny now. No be na embassy be this. No be na building be this. Please, if you have experience with Brazil embassy, if they don't wound you woto, you understand? If you don't apply like this, they don't even reason you. Even when you qualify, please state your experience. And if they give you, also state your experience. I don't get Brazil visa for some people, but the success rate is small. You understand? It's small. So no be say I dey complain, but just dey try to create awareness, make themselves hear am. But anyway, and I know which one I dey do people. The rejection is crazy, man. It's crazy. So anyway, it's your country. You have the right to reject. You have the right to give. But at least when I dey consider people, there are hidden treasures in Brazil. Only when they explain and give you go understand. So I beg, Mona allow us explore that treasure. I be Penzazo Travels. So please share this post, comment. I love you all. Thanks.